SpaceX just made the largest startup acquisition in history. They're buying Cursor, the AI coding tool that developers are obsessed with, for $60 billion in stock. Yes, you heard that right. A rocket company just spent $60 billion on a code editor. Let me explain why this makes more sense than you think. First, some context. Cursor launched in 2022 and absolutely exploded. They crossed $1 billion in annualized revenue in November 2025. That's insane growth for a company that's essentially an AI-powered code editor. Developers love it because it genuinely makes them faster. It understands your entire code base, writes functions, fixes bugs, and refactors code with you. It's not just autocomplete, it's a coding partner. So why SpaceX? Here's the play. SpaceX just had a blockbuster IPO last week. They're flush with capital. And Elon Musk sees what everyone in tech sees. AI coding tools are going to be worth trillions. This isn't about rockets. SpaceX is positioning itself to compete directly with Anthropic, OpenAI, and GitHub Copilot in the AI developer tools space. It's a pivot into the most lucrative software market of the decade. The deal structure is interesting too. SpaceX had an option since April. Either acquire Cursor for $60 billion or pay $10 billion for a partnership. They chose full acquisition. Cursor was about to close a $2 billion funding round from Andreessen Horowitz and Nvidia at a $50 billion valuation. SpaceX swooped in with a premium. The co-founders, who are in their 20s, just doubled their net worth overnight. What does this mean for you as a developer? Honestly, it could be great or terrifying. If SpaceX invests heavily in Cursor's AI models, we could see Cursor become dramatically more powerful. But there's also the Elon factor. Will Cursor's direction change? Will it stay independent? And the bigger question, if a rocket company values a coding tool at $60 billion, what does that say about how fast AI is replacing traditional software development? The answer is very, very fast. Subscribe for more. This story is just beginning.